A lot of times, you may need to look up customer city based on the zip code in Excel. With the zip code selected, go to the Data tab and click Geography. Excel will recognize each zip code and convert it into a rich geography data type. Once converted, you will see a small map icon next to each zip code. Click on the icon or press the small Insert Data button and then choose City. Excel will pull the corresponding city name into the new column. You can also insert more details like state, region, or even population. Just repeat the same step. Click on the Data button and then choose the field that you want. You can also convert geography data type back into text. Obviously, you will look the city data that you looked up and Excel will generate an error. So what you may want to do is just to delete this column. If the content was helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to Online Training for Everyone.
Ha 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 ha!